Assalamualaikum, welcome back into another lecture of mathematics. Hope you all doing great. Well, it's been a long time. We are here. Today we are going to discuss about a circle thoroughly. Going to elaborate circle thoroughly, and we are going to learn that how many things we have in a circle. Okay, let's start from the definition and learn about on which things a circle consists of. Is it? Just look towards the definition. What is the definition? Collection of points in a plane which are equidistant from fixed point. That point is known as center. Okay, so we have collection of points, lots of points in a plane, and all these points are equidistant from a fixed point, and that fixed point is known as center, or you can say origin. I'm just draw it here. Suppose I have a fixed point in a plane. I would like to say it as origin or a center. That's my fixed point. And I have a collection of points around it which are equidistant from this point. I have collection of points around this, and these all are equidistant. You just observe, these all are equidistant. These all are equidistant from that origin or a center. So this formation gives you a circle. Now let's move towards what a circle consists of. A circle consists of lots of things. The first one is known as circumference, radius, radial segment, diameter, arc, minor and major arc, chord, sector of a circle, and segment of a circle. What is circumference actually? The outer boundary of a circle is known as circumference, the simple and easy wording. Or you can say that the path followed by the center of a circle is known as circumference. Let me show you a simple example. The outer boundary of any circle is known as circumference. Is it simple and clear? Let's move towards the second one. Yes. What is radius? The distance from center to the boundary of a circle is known as radius. The distance from center to the boundary of circle, to the circumference of circle. Just look here. I have just mentioned here. This is my center, and the distance from here to the boundary, the distance from center to the boundary is known as radius, and is represented by small r. That's my radius. That's my radius. Every distance from center to the boundary is known as radius. Clear? Segment, which is quite similar to the radius, because we mostly got some kind of confusion in radius and radial segment. What is radius? The distance from the center to the boundary of circle is known as radius. What is radial segment? Line segment joining center to the boundary of a circle known as radial segment. Let me show you a simple difference. The distance from here to here is radius, but that line segment which is joining this center to the boundary, this line segment is known as radial segment. Hope that's clear. A line segment which passes through the center of a circle by joining two points of boundary of circle. This is my boundary of a circle. Is it? This is my center. I have a line segment. We know that a line segment is the one which have two endpoints. Is it? So a line segment which passes from the center of the circle joining the two points on boundary of a circle, this is known as diameter. And as we know that the distance from the center to the boundary of a circle is known as radius. I have a one radius on the right side, I have another radius on the other side, and simply we can say that a diameter is equals to 2 times of a radius. Is it? Next one is arc. What is arc? The portion of circumference of a circle is known as arc. Let me show you. This is my circle, and here is circumference of circle. So you just take any portion of the circumference of circle is known as arc. That's my arc. I just take that portion of my circumference of circle. So this is known as arc of a circle. So in one circle there can be lots of arcs. Is it? Now we are going to know about the major and minor arc. What is the basic difference between major and minor arc? So what is the basic difference between major and minor arc? The arc which is bigger than semicircle. Semicircle means half of a circle. So any arc, this is like half of a circle, is it? So the arc which is bigger than semicircle, suppose my this portion from here to here, that portion, because that's bigger than semicircle, this is known as bigger and major arc, while other one is known as minor arc because it is smaller than semicircle. So we basically have two arcs, major and minor, in a circle. Next we are going to discuss about chord. What is chord? A line segment joining any 2 points on boundary of, so a line segment joining any 2 points on boundary of a circle is known as chord. I'm going to write here. I have my circle here. Is it? Suppose these 2 points, just join it, known as chord. A point here, a point here, join them, this is a chord. A point here, a point here, join them, this is a chord. A point here, a point here, join them, this is a chord. If we just observe here, radius, it's a diameter. We just read about the diameter. So the biggest chord of a circle is the diameter itself. So what is chord? A line segment joining any 2 points on boundary of circle. Is it? Line segment joining any 2 points on boundary of circle is known as chord, and the biggest chord is diameter of circle. This is sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is one of the very interesting definition to understand. Sector of a circle, let me tell you verbally. The area or the region covered by an arc and 2 radii and a radii. That's the general definition of a sector of a circle. Let me show you here. I have center, I have radius. Is it? This is my arc. Clear? So that was actually my circle. That was actually my circle. And I just take that path followed by an arc and 2 radii. So what is segment of circle? The portion of a circle is covered by or enclosed by an arc and a chord is known as segment of a circle. Let me show you. The portion of circle covered by an arc and a chord. Segment of circle. So here you can see a circle. The path followed by an arc and a chord. Suppose that is my arc and that is my chord. So the region covered by an arc and a chord is known as segment of a circle. So that's how today we discuss about the circle thoroughly. I hope you understand all the points and hope you like it.